You do like me.
What? No, I didn't say that.
Oh, yes, you do. And I knew it all along.
Get away from me.
Hey, Rocco. I guess this means we put our differences on ice? Get it? Huh? Put our differences on ice?
I'd like to put you on ice.
Look how we get along together. I think it's great the way we blend. You've tried to be as tough as leather, but now I see that's just pretend. We'll find our way through stormy weather, just you and me right to the end. Hey buddy, looks like we're two birds of a feather, and gee, it looks like I got me a friend. Now you go. Take it, Rocco! Hey, Rocco, what do you call a flower before it opens?
What?
What do you call a flower before it opens?
A bud.
I love it when you call me Bud. Look how we get along together.
Incredibly annoying.
I think it's great the way we
You're like a
blend.
bone stuck in...
Goodness glaciers! Marina!
So, it wasn't an avalanche. That was some landing, Hubie.